Hey guys, welcome back to Smashing Punk Fan. I'm gonna walk through how I keep the high mileage on this truck entertaining and fun, and fixing electronic components because I clearly use mine all the time, everywhere I go, taking on road trips, drive through the mud, haul heavy crap with it. It's whatever have you. And I'm sure you'd like to keep your truck or car on the road as long as possible, just like I have this one, because I am pushing 500,000 miles, all original engine and transmission. Fun stuff, but it's very easy to save money, not go to the dealership every time you have something stop working on you. And I know it can be just as frustrating to miss a component that you've always had. Plus, I'm tired of sitting in my seat just like this. So let's get this fixed, and I'm gonna show you what went wrong with the switch. With high mileage comes rougher looking seats, so don't judge. Whoever has more than 500,000 miles, comment down below and let me know what your truck or car is looking like and how many miles you have on yours. So once you get the switch inside, the first thing you want to do is locate the problem, like I did here. And you're going to remove all the layers, and you're going to try to really test and figure out what exactly is not making contact, like that little doohickey. As you can try to hear the click here. And just because I'm cheap and it's broken anyways, things like see if the dielectric grease will help the contact points on that inverter shell. In my final absolute desperate act to try and save this piece, I'm gonna dielectric grease these tips here to see if we can make contact, because when I ran it with the electrical tester, I was getting continuity between them. Click that little doodaddy back into place. This little guy goes back in. After we get this completely reassembled, oh yeah, that flows good. We're gonna take it out to the truck and plug her in and see what kind of action we do or don't get. The old one plugged in here, you can see ups and downs, steers to work, going back, going forward, then the backrest. Back, forward, nothing. It's not a redeeming quality. So with them being so cheap from eBay, I think this is like 15 or 20 bucks, just get your replacement. Save yourself the headache, get the replacement, do it. Just do it. Go to eBay, they'll help you out. This actually happens to be one of the easier electrical issues I've faced with this truck in the past. I did face 9 engine codes before, and I fixed it with one wire. Click on the video in the top right to see.